Hey guys, so in this video, I'm going to show you all the tools that I use in my digital product business so you can see everything that I have to sell my digital products. Hey guys, my name is Dawn Marie and I'm here on this channel documenting my journey of starting a digital product business from scratch, and I will not be using marketplaces like Creative Market or Etsy. Now, before I get started, you're probably on this video because you're just getting started with your own digital product business and you want to know the tools that you need. So if you check out my 10-day action plan that I've linked in the description box below, I take you through step by step over the next 10 days everything that you need to do to come up with, launch, and sell your own digital products, no guesswork needed. I've also included all the tools that I use in this action plan, including how I use them and in what order. And guys, the steps that I share in this action plan, I went over them yesterday, and it's exactly what I've been doing over the past 6 months to reach my first $1,000 in digital product sales. Now, if you've been watching my videos for some time, then you know that I started this business in 2022, and my goal with this channel was to show you behind the scenes of what I get up to. So if you're on my newsletter, I share a lot more intimate details with my subscribers, talking about what has worked, what has not worked, my wins, my failures, the income I've made, and I strongly believe that selling digital products is one of the best ways to start earning a passive income online. And when I say passive, I don't mean that I set everything up and do nothing. I still have to work every single day to get my business to where I need it to be. But once I've built a digital product, it works for me and creates sales without me doing anything else for that single digital product. So if you've discovered me for the first time, I hope that you will stick around and subscribe to the channel, and please comment below letting me know if you started your own digital product business and exactly what are you selling. Okay, so let's get started with everything that I use to set up my digital product business. Now, first of all, it's the domain. So the domain is what I will set up to use for my website and email address. So whenever I buy any domains for my business, I naturally go to Namecheap. And why Namecheap? Because when I got started with online marketing back in 2016, I found Namecheap and just stuck with it. And it's one of the cheapest websites where you can buy domains. I mean, you can get domains to start for less than £5, which is about $7 per year, which is about less than 60 cents per month. Plus, you get a wide range of domain extensions if you want to be a bit more creative in your domain setup. For example, instead of copymytemplates.com, I can use copymytemplates.pro, .art, .blog if I want to create a blog. So you can unleash your creativity when you're creating your domain and business. Now, the next thing that I created was an email inbox account, with a private email address, which I have with GoDaddy, which allows me to receive customer service emails from my customers in case they might have any questions. Now, the emails do not come through GoDaddy itself. They have an API with Microsoft Outlook. So that is where I actually get and manage my emails and customer service inquiries. And from there, I double up this with an email service provider, which allows me to do email marketing. So the email marketing is very different from the customer service emails that I send to customers. The email marketing is where I communicate with subscribers, I might teach them things and also sell my digital products. Now, that email service provider is Aweber, which allows you to set up your emails to sell your digital products automatically. You can also build landing pages with Aweber, but I only use Aweber for email marketing. All right, so I've told you about my domain, email address, and email marketing tools. Now let's go to the things that people actually see in my business. So let's call this the hub, where I keep everything visible to people on the internet, and that's my website. Now, my website is where I host my blog on it. It's where I host my digital products, and I use LeadPages. Now, LeadPages, I can use it to build my website, my landing or freebie opt-in pages, also my sales pages. In fact, my entire digital product and funnel I use with LeadPages. Now, this is the foundation of my business because this is where I introduce products to my audience and sell them. It's where I introduce lead magnets or freebies to my audience and then sell them. And in addition to LeadPages, I also use Sendowl to help take the payments from customers. So when someone lands on a LeadPages landing page or sales page, how do they submit their credit card and buy? How do they submit their credit card details to buy? Well, this is where Sendowl comes in. Now, I could have used LeadPages to take payments, but they are limited to only Stripe and don't have an integration with PayPal, so that when someone pays, you can be notified of the payment and then you can automatically fulfill the product. So that's what I was looking for with LeadPages and PayPal, but unfortunately, LeadPages did not have that integration with PayPal. So I decided to go ahead and use Sendowl to do that because they have an integration with both Stripe and PayPal. And then, of course, there's Stripe and PayPal where the money actually goes into these accounts once I get paid. Now, if you want, you could, of course, eliminate LeadPages and Aweber and only use Sendowl. But in order to run my business effectively as a whole, where I can do email marketing, create beautiful websites, landing pages, and sales pages, I use all of those tools combined. Then finally, we can talk about the traffic generation tools that I use, and that's quite easy. To get people to see my products, I use email marketing, so that will be Aweber, which I've already spoken about. And then I also use YouTube. Yes, YouTube is a great traffic source. It's a great traffic platform that I use where I simply create these types of videos, talk about the problems that digital product creators have, attract them to my channel with those videos, and then offer them products. I mean, that in a nutshell is my entire digital product business workflow. And of course, in the future, I may change some of these tools. I may find others that are more effective, but I have been using some of these tools since 2016. I added Sendowl only last year, and I'm someone who does not really like change, so who knows, I may or I may not change them. Don't forget, if you want to know how to put all of these tools together to make your digital product business work and start launching and selling your own digital products, then my 10-day action plan, which is in the description box below, is what you will need to get started. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye now.